In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the Webflow cache. If you've been working on your Webflow project and need to ensure the latest updates are displaying properly, clearing the cache can be a useful step. We'll walk through the process together to ensure your site is reflecting the changes you intend. First things first, you need to log into your Webflow account. Once you've logged in, you will find yourself on the Webflow dashboard. This dashboard is where all your projects are listed, and from here, you can manage your different websites efficiently. Choose the project for which you want to clear the cache. Remember, clearing the cache is particularly useful when you've made updates and are not seeing those changes reflected on the live site. Now that you've selected your project, the next step is to navigate to the publishing section. Depending on the layout of your dashboard, you might find this option near the top or within a drop-down menu. Publishing is where you handle all the updates related to getting your site live and updated. At this point, you may notice options related to hosting, especially if you're subscribing to one of Webflow's higher-tier plans. If, however, you're on a free plan, you might be prompted to consider an upgrade in order to access more advanced hosting features, including cache management. It can be a worthwhile investment if you're looking for smoother website management and additional features. If you have access to these features on your plan, you'll see a Manage button located next to your site's hosting settings. Clicking this button will allow you to dive deeper into the specific settings available for your site. Look to the left side of the page where various tabs are displayed. There you will see a tab labeled Cache. Clicking on this tab will take you to the area where you can manage your cache settings. Finally, once you are in the cache settings, it's time to clear your site's cache. You should see a button labeled Clear All Cache. Clicking this will prompt Webflow to clear the cache for your site, ensuring that the latest updates and changes are visible and effective when visitors land on your web pages. It's as simple as that. Clearing the cache can significantly help in ensuring that your recent changes are applied seamlessly without waiting for the automatic cache refresh cycle. Remember to repeat these steps whenever you face issues with visibility of updates on your site. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to clearing your Webflow cache. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful Webflow tips.